Ron Scott here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to test the water in my pool and add shock powder if necessary. Open the cabinet just above the coffee maker and remove the blue testing kit. Remove the testing vial and fill it with water from the pool. Use the grabber tool to save bending over the pool. Fill and rinse it twice before finally filling it up with water scooped from several inches below the pool surface. Place the testing vial on a white surface and add 5 drops to the smaller tube from the reagent bottle with the yellow cap. Cap the tube and shake the vial gently a few times. Observe the color in the tube and compare it to the colored windows. If there is a strong or moderate yellow color, there is no need to add chlorine at this time. If the color is very pale, this indicates the chlorine is needed. Locate the blue and white bucket at the end of the side yard that is labeled shock. Open the bucket and remove 1 packet of shock powder and close the lid. Open the packet by snipping off one end with a pair of scissors and pour the packet's contents into the pool, spreading it along the length of the pool. Wait a day or two and test again. If the test color is weaker than the middle test vial window, add another packet of shock and repeat the process. It is also a good idea to check the automatic chlorinator. See this video for instructions on how to do that.